Hello, welcome back to the show. And today we're going to discuss how this right here is another fake out. And we are coming down, ladies and gentlemen, we're coming down. Right, we're going to have issues. We're going to come down. We're going to retest these bottoms, maybe go lower. I'm not sure. And that is actually the stressful part of this. We don't know how low we're going to go, right? Are we going to try to hit one of these lows, or are we going to go much lower and hit these 25s maybe, the 30? I'm not sure. But we keep retesting it, right? And so we got this range a little bit now. We have this range that we're like playing in. It's like right through here. It's like this, and it's like this, and we just don't know what's gonna happen. Like it's a little frustrating. But are we gonna break through this range in either direction? Are we gonna go up? I know these lines are crooked, but it doesn't matter. Are we gonna go up, or are we gonna go down? This is the big question, and I want to know because I haven't been able to place a trade. Or I haven't been able to put something down to finally make my moves. I haven't had that chance to do that yet because we're in this range. We got to break out of this range. We're on the daily today. We're normally on the weekly. But it's like we came down and now we're testing. But the more I think about it, at $30,000, I would say it's a pretty damn good deal. At 30, 33, 34, I mean, 34 is a little bit much, but like 30K is a pretty damn good deal. I'm happy to purchase the 30K, which is probably what I'm going to do next time around. The next time we fall down again, because I don't want to miss the opportunity. Like it just it doesn't seem wise to just sit on the sidelines too long, because this thing's going to break out at some point. We just don't know when. Though there is of course a possibility that we come really down, but we'll have to see. I really don't have much to say today because I just wanted to, I talked about my shorts yesterday. I got some new shorts. And we've hit my second target as well, which I'm pretty excited about. But I watched the Tinder Swindler today, sitting in this chair on this laptop, and it's really a waste of time, man. I should not have sat through and spent an hour and a half of my day when it's such a beautiful day outside. It's really bad. This is not good. Not great, because these are all dexes, right? Many of which are scams, apparently. Okay, well, this is true. This is a true statement. So Bitcoin is a good bet if Fed continues easing to avoid a recession. So if they're going to continue to pump money, which they will, MMT suggests that they will, this is dangerous. Now, this is really interesting. The Ledger CTO warns crypto users about the dangers of blind signing. Don't trust, verify, says Charles Kuba, CTO of Hardware Wallet. What does it mean? Oh, interesting. Does he mean like when you click through, like you just click instead of like actually verifying the address is the same? Interview with Cointelegraph. The Ledger Chief Technology Officer notes that consenting to transaction requires signing a message to be sent to the blockchain. A user is the only one capable of signing transactions with the private key. Okay, it is risky because you can think you're signing a transaction to move part of your funds to an address while you're actually signing a transaction. Okay. So oh, I see. So this is when we get into more interesting things. So if you're just sending Bitcoin back and forth, you should be okay. But this is if you're doing some, phenomenally interesting thing, that's probably where you can run into problem. Got it. Well, it's a pretty slow day, but we did have we did have this meeting, and I don't know about this headline that it's going to be aggressive. 25 basis point is what I think is going to happen. March 16th, I think. I don't know what the date is. It's coming up next week. But he was inundated by these senators that knew absolutely junk all. They were just asking the same question over and over again, and this guy was just like, listen, you asked the same question over again. But he had to be polite. Sorry, I'm yawning. I'm tired from watching that movie. But you know, he had to be polite. But really, there's actually nothing going on. Um, the economy is doing well even with this war, so we're going to see this interest rate spike. And then I mean, I really want to see our narrative where we can bring our Bitcoin prices down, because I know we all want Bitcoin prices down so we can get those good deals. We need to see a situation where the Fed heightens interest rates, and then I want to see Biden come up with some like really crap deal, right? Like some really crappy deal where we got to pay a lot more taxes, that kind of stuff. And that's when things should get good. Because as I said many times before, when we go below the 50-week moving average, we go test the 200, right? And this is it. This is all I got to do. So I think that's what we need to do. Anyways, this is it, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.